friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
We are working on a cargo trailer camper conversion, a 6x10 with an aluminum frame.
Taylor and Eric are gonna call the escape pod.
That Taylor and Eric are going to pull with their Jeep Wrangler two-door named Roxy.
Which is a 2007 Jeep Wrangler.
So the cargo camper had to be light enough that they could pull it, and we gutted the whole thing, and we are rebuilding it from the bottom up, and it will be their camper. So we are doing a cedar ceiling, and we are going to need lights in the cargo camper. So we're going to put LED lights in the camper. So today we're going to show you how to put in LED lights in a cargo camper. So all the products we're using in this video you can find at our website at www.befreebenson.com. And if you forget that website, you can just go to the description and you'll find the link in the description.
We have got the approximate location of the lights marked onto the styrofoam board where we want to put them. And we're going to have wire to go in between that will daisy chain those. So what I'm going to do right now is just measure the distance between the pieces and then cut myself some pieces of wire that I can just tape up on top here. So as we put these lights in, what you do is you cut a circle hole in your ceiling and then you wire it on the outside and it pops up in. So we have to have the wire coming out through the holes. So we're gonna have all that up inside so we can pull it down through the holes, and I'll pre-strip it and have it ready to go so that we can just pop those lights in, stick them up in. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to run the wire up over before we get too much in, drop this down in, wire this up, and then I'm going to pop this light up inside. And what these do is you take these spring-loaded tabs and you put them up, you push your light up in through, it pushes down, holds your light in place. You've got this little basically 110 adapter here to run the LED light, and you are good to go. One neat thing you can do with these two as well is you can disconnect them in several different places. So if that was to come in handy, which it might as we're going along, we'll use that. But once I do this, then I need to daisy chain more lights off of this one as well. So I'm cutting my pieces of wire to be long enough to do the daisy chain. Now I need to go measure and see how long I need this piece to be going into the nose cone.
We've got about 23 inches from center to center, maybe a little less.
We'll just go 36. All right, so I've got 2 sets of white and 2 sets of black. One is my power wire set is from the light switch. The other one is going to the next light in this series. So we're basically just daisy chaining lights for this switch off of the initial power. So once this is a single wire hanging down. By the time it's done, I'll have another set of wires taped to this one. I'm taping them together. On this particular one, the way I'm wiring it is I'm going the black to the red and the white to the blue. I'm gonna get rid of this thing and use a wire nut and then tape it, because they're just not a high quality connector. I just don't like it. All right, so I'm going to attempt to get this light into the space where it goes.
Nice.
All right. So let me turn it back down. Let's see what we got juice. Nice. Now 7 more to go. Only 7.
Nice.
Just like sucks itself up in there. So this is the first light in the second light switch circuit.
Make sure you ship it to my house.
done.
We are finished with the lights.
Let there be light.
And it was good.
The lights look fantastic. They fit in just perfectly and give just a perfect amount of light. I think they look really good.
I do too. Yeah, I really like the lights. The only thing I was not real happy with the connector that they created them with, but we just used some wire nuts and we were good to go.
Eric did most of the wiring on the lights and got them all wired up, and they really do look great. So
Proves that it's not too hard.
So if you want to watch more videos like this one and you want to watch our journey as we continue to build out the cargo camper, go ahead and click on the video on the screen or go to our channel and check out our playlist.
If you found value in this video, go ahead and give us a like and also subscribe to our channel.
And as always, doing things yourself saves you money and allows you to be free. See you in the next video.